Jesus, and today I'm going to be videotaping my lab practical final. In this lab practical final, I'm going to be giving some examples of different exercises that I would recommend my patients in the future. These exercises are going to be especially for the cervical area and also for the shoulders. The first thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to ask my patient if they have any issues that would hinder them from being able to do these exercises, and the patient would tell me no, that he doesn't have any issues, and then I would proceed to give them the instructions for them to do these exercises. So the first exercise that we're going to do are going to be for the cervical area, and the first one is called the A to P glides. So I'm going to be standing on my side like this to show them, and we're going to bring our shin towards the neck, and then we're going to bring our neck forward and then backward. We want the head to be very stable during this exercise. We don't want our patient kind of looking back like this. We just want them to be very stable like this. And it's always very important to be looking at our patient when, after we give the instructions, we want also to be looking at the patient to see how they're doing. The second exercise that we're going to be discussing is called the lateral glides. So for this one, we're going to place our arms like this, like in a Y shape, and then we're going to move our neck towards the side. We want to try to contract the sides of the neck. The third exercise is called the horseshoe circles. We're going to bring our shin toward one of our pecs. So we're going to look like this, and then we're going to go all the way around towards the other pec. Okay, so this is how we're going to start. Okay, then our other exercise are going to be called the red light range of motion exercises, and these are 4 different exercises which we're going to do while we are on a red light. So in the first red light, what we're going to do is we're going to be starting by looking down, and we're going to press with our hand on the back of our head, a little bit of pressure. After that, we're going to look back, like up to the ceiling, and what we're going to do is put a little bit of pressure on our forehead. Okay. After that, what we're going to do is we're going to go to the other red light, and what we're going to do is going to be putting this fist in here in the cheek, and we're going to press to the other side. And then the other side. Okay, and now we're going to do a lateral flexion. So we're going to do like this. And then we're going to do it to the other side. We want to apply pressure for about 3 to 5 seconds on each of those positions. So now we're going to go into 3 exercises for the shoulders. The first one that we're going to do is going to be the back stroke. So this one is as if we're swimming. So we're going to bring our arm just like this with our palm upward and towards the back. And now I'm going to show it from the side. And then we would do it with the other arm. Okay. So now the other one is called the Egyptian rolls. And the Egyptian rolls, what we're going to want to do is we're going to place this hand looking upward and this hand looking towards the ground. And what we're going to do next is we're going to be switching them. The last exercise is called the shoulder rolls. For this one, we need to be in all our fours in the floor. The first thing that we're going to do is we're going to sink our shoulders and come back. And then we're going to add the scapular circles. Then we're going to change directions. Okay, so those are my 7 exercises for this lab practical final. Thank you for the opportunity.